welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick how-to of how to buy XLM on Binance. Hello guys, so here's a quick and beginner-friendly on how to buy XLM Stellar Lumens on Binance. So, of course, you want to go and start by creating or logging into your Binance account, which is right here, up here. You want to log in and then deposit funds using your preferred method, or if you already have funds, then you're ready to go. You can actually just type in how much you want to buy, then it will show you how much you spent for that. So here's the price for the XLM Stellar, which is equivalent to 0.227181 USD, which is plus 0.39%. And then yeah, you just wanna, of course, check the payment details and fees and then store or use your Stellar in Binance. That is all on how to do it easily.